intro to Sinatra. Sinatra, we will be covering what it is, the prerequisites for running Sinatra, why you might want to use it, why you might not want to use it, who uses it. We're going to be spending most of our time on how to use it, and then there will be a little bit on what you could do next if you want to keep working with Sinatra. So the bare minimum for running Sinatra is having Ruby installed in your machine and having the Sinatra gem installed in your machine. Is there anyone who has had issues with either of these prerequisites that we could possibly resolve? Awesome. So I'm going to assume from here on out that everyone who is following along has Ruby and Sinatra. The next things are not required, but you will be less sad if you have Git, which will keep track of your versions. This is basically will keep you sane. If you've ever named directories like version 1, version 2, Git takes care of that for you, and you will never lose a change again. So I highly recommend getting to Git if you haven't yet. Bundler is a Ruby gem that manages the dependencies you have on other Ruby gems and make sure you're loading the right versions. You can just do gem install, but in my presentation I have a gem file, which is what Bundler uses, and that makes sure you have the right versions all the time, and has solved many, many headaches. So I highly recommend using Bundler in all your Ruby projects. You will be happier if you have a Heroku account because you will be able to push your Sinatra